To cite a work within an anthology or collection of essays, we will begin with the name of the author who wrote the text within the anthology. The author's last name is presented first. We then include a comma, after which we provide the author's first name, before ending this section with a period. If your text has more than one author, your citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the word and then present the second author's name. Please note that this name is provided first name and then last name. We then end this section with a period. If the text has 3 or more authors, the citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. After providing the author information, we will then give the title of the work that we are citing within the anthology. Before we give the title of the work, we will include opening quotation marks. We then provide the work's title. Generally, we will capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. We then include a period and closing quotes. Next, we provide the title of the anthology. The title of the anthology is given in italics. Generally, we capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title as well. After providing the anthology title, we will give a comma. After the anthology title is given, we will then provide the editors. Before giving the editors, we will include the words edited by, and then provide the editor or editors' names, giving their first name and then their last name. If you have 2 editors, the citation will look like this. If your anthology has 3 or more editors, you will include the first editor's name and then the words et al., as shown here. We will then end the editors section of the citation with a comma. Next, we will provide the publication information for the anthology. We will begin with the name of the publishing company, include a comma, provide the year of publication, and then conclude this section with another comma. Finally, we end the citation by providing the page numbers of the work we are citing. After providing the lowercase letters pp followed by a period, we then give the all-inclusive page numbers for where the work can be found within the anthology. We then end the citation with a period. Providing this information in this order will enable our readers to find this source.